Dear students, all is well. This is Mrs. Kamal Ambani, your science teacher. For the last 2 weeks, you are studying online because of nationwide lockdown, and you have to follow the same for next few days. You have to stay and study home to stop the spread of coronavirus. I hope that you are safe and secure at home and studying properly all subjects time to time. In science, we have completed 2 chapters for which you have received explanatory videos, notes, worksheets, and activities. Also, you have sent some doubts which have been cleared in doubt clarification sessions. You have to listen explanation of chapter from videos and then write question answer in your classwork copy. Worksheet which we are sending is kind of your assessment. If you understood explanation nicely, you can easily solve worksheets. Activities are given after each chapter. You have to perform the activities as per the material availability and record videos for the same. In this video today I am going to start third chapter of science, that is fiber to fabric. You might have learned about plant fiber in your previous class, in which you come to know about cotton fiber, jute fiber. Also, I hope you know about spinning, weaving, knitting, etc. Here we will discuss animal fiber and its detail all the topics, which is also one of the natural fiber. Let us start the explanation of the chapter. Class 7, Chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. In this module we will learn about fabrics which comes from animal sources. You also know which animals yield fibers and who rears those animals. You will learn which part of animal yield yarn. Also you will understand how animal fiber is converted into fabric. Introduction. Why we need clothes? We need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, dust, insect, etc. It is our basic need. It also helps us to look civilized and smart. Fabric. Fabric is made of fine filament that is called fiber. Fibers mainly are of two types, natural fiber and man-made fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals such as jute, cotton, wool, silk. These are natural fibers. Man-made fibers are made from chemicals in laboratories by man. They are also called synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. Example of man-made fiber are terylene, terry cotton, acrylic, etc. Types of fiber. Natural fibers are classified into two types, that are plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber are the fibers which are obtained from plant. Example, cotton, jute, flax. Animal fiber. Animal fibers are obtained from animal, and the example of animal fiber are wool and silk. In this chapter we will discuss fibers obtained from animal, and the animal fibers are obtained from the following animals like sheep, goat, camel, alpaca, arana. If we treat insect as a different source of fiber, so silkworm is an insect from which we can obtain fiber. First animal fiber that we will discuss in this chapter is wool. Wool is mainly obtained from sheep. Characteristics of wool. Wool is a protein fiber. Wool is crimped and elastic. Wool retain heat. Wool fiber has hollow spaces so it easily absorbs moisture and sound. Wool is normally creamy white in color, but it can be black, brown. Wool is hypoallergenic, which means it shows less allergic reactions. Wool is mainly obtained from sheep. The wool yielding animals wear thick coat of fur which is called fleece. The hair keeps the animal warm and dry. The hairy skin of sheep has two types of fibers, the coarse beard hair and the fine soft hair close to the skin. Students, do you know animals like yak and snow leopard have thick fur? Fur traps dead air next to animal's body and create a blanket of insulation. More fur means more insulation. The air trapped within the hair provides additional insulation. This is the reason we wear woolen clothes in winter. It also gives us insulation by trapping air in the fiber. As air is a bad conductor of heat, so it do not allow the body heat to escape. Here are some special kind of wool. First is Lohi. It is a good quality wool found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Second, Rampur Busher. It is a brown wool found in Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Nali is a carpet wool which is found in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Marwadi. It is a kind of coarse wool which is found in Gujarat. Another is Patanwadi. It is a hosiery wool. It is also found in Gujarat. These are different types of wool obtained in different states. Some animals other than sheep yield wool, and that are yak, that is famous in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora goat in Jammu Kashmir gives wool that is called Angora wool. Kashmiri goat. The wool obtained from these animals are soft and used for making shawls. Fur of camel is also used to make wool. Other animals like llama and alpaca from South America are also wool yielding animals. Let us discuss how the wool fiber is processed. There are certain steps which are being followed for obtaining wool. First step is to rear and select the breed of sheep. In this, the best quality sheep are selected to obtain more production of wool. Rearing means to provide food, shelter and all the facilities to animal to obtain good production out of them. In next step, the fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. Typically, each sheep is shorn once each year. The device used for shearing is known as hand pieces. It has power driven tooth blade known as cutter to clean the sheared skin and hair with soap or shampoo. This is done in big tanks to remove the grease, dust and dirt, and this step is called scoring. Hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different texture and type are separated. This process is called sorting. Small fluffy fibers called burrs are removed from the fleece and the fibers are dyed in different colors. Since the fibers are mostly black, brown or white in color, that is why they are colored to get different variety of colors. Once the dyeing process is completed, the fibers are straightened with comb and rolled into yarn. Here is one fact: occupational hazard. It is defined as a source or a situation with a potential for harm in terms of injury or ill health, damage to property, damage to the workplace, environment, or a combination of this is called occupational hazard. Some example of the occupational hazards are excessive noise and heat are commonly found problems in industries which can affect the hearing of workers. In chemical industries, employee deals with harmful and dangerous chemicals which can burn their skin. Also, their powerful smell can cause breathing problems. Same in wool industry. Person working in wool industry suffer from blood disease known as Sorter's disease caused by anthrax bacteria commonly found in cattle. Let us summarize what we have learned. Natural fibers are of two types, plant fiber and animal fibers. Wool is the animal fiber. Wool yielding animals are sheep, camel, yak, alpaca, etc. Fur of animal is used to obtain wool. The steps in wool production are shearing, scoring, sorting, dyeing and carding. Occupational hazard are the problem related to the workplace. Here we are ending this part of the chapter. In next part we will study about silk production in detail. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.